Former Jharkhand Chief Minister Madhu Koda has allegedly been assaulted by policemen and jail inmates. He was sitting on a hunger strike in protest against bad food in the Hotwar jail. According to reports coming in, he was assaulted following this by a policeman and jail inmates. Prakash on the phone line with more details. Prakash, tell us what happened.
Well, early this morning, Madhu Koda was sitting on a hunger strike, and he had been protesting against the bad quality of food that was provided to him in the jail, as alleged by Madhu Koda. And since then, early morning, he went on a hunger strike, and he was saying that he's been complaining it for the past 2 weeks or so, but no actions were being taken, and he was not being provided proper food. And then he was engaged in a scuffle with the policemen as well as the jail inmates lodged in the Hotwar jail in Ranchi, where Madhu Koda has been lodged for the past 2 years in this scam that was unearthed 2 years back and was filed by the ED.
Yes.
Now that Madhu Koda has been brought to the RIMS hospital in Ranchi for further checkups, as alleged by him.
Stay on with us. Let's listen to what Madhu Koda said as soon as he was brought to the hospital.
खाना ठीक से नहीं मिल रहा था, इसलिए मैं गया था वहाँ पर, और खाना के लोगों को ठीक से नहीं मिल रहा था, इसी को देखने गए थे हम।
अब क्या चाहते हैं आप?
हम चाहते हैं कि न्यायिक जांच हो, उसका सारे घटना का न्यायिक जांच हो।
Well, Prakash, Madhu Koda claims that he was beaten up by jail inmates and also the police authority inside the jail. Is there any investigation now to ascertain what really happened?
Well, the allegations has been made by Madhu Koda that he was beaten up and brutally assaulted when he was sitting on a hunger strike, but no official confirmation has come up as yet, and officials concerned are not speaking at all, but he has been brought to and sent to the RIMS hospital in Ranchi for further checkup, as he had said that he's received a fracture and the bruise on the right hand. The doctors there are examining him, and he's been sent for a X-ray, and the MRI scan would also be done, and after that it would be known that if he has received a fracture or not. But we are trying to get in touch with the officials, the jail IT as well as the district magistrate of Ranchi, who is the custodian of the Hotwar jail in Ranchi, and as and we get we haven't got any information as yet.
Thank you for that, Prakash. There with the latest, Madhu Koda, the former Jharkhand Chief Minister, now saying that he was brutally assaulted in Hotwar jail when he was on a hunger strike. He was complaining about the poor quality of food inside the jail.